Hi everybody, welcome to Learn It Together. My name is Craig.
My name is Lex.
And what are we making today, Lex?
We're gonna make a smoothie.
Right, we're gonna make a smoothie today, and we're gonna use milk, blueberries, and honey. And if you ever want to make a smoothie, you can use any type of milk you want, any type of fruit you want, and you can add honey, cocoa, peanut butter, whatever you want to add. But for today's demonstration, we're just gonna go with milk, blueberries, and honey. So first we're gonna pour the milk in there. If you want to do that for me, Lex. And we have half a cup of milk that we poured for our smoothies. This should give us enough for 1 to 2 smoothies. Awesome. And then we're going to add our blueberries next. Wonderful. And we used 1 cup of blueberries. And then our last is a tablespoon of honey. So we can use that, and if it doesn't come all the way out, you can use that to scrape it in there. Great. Alright, and then what we do is we're going to take our lid, put it on there, and make sure it's sealed tight, so that when it starts to blend, we don't make a huge mess. Alright, and then if you would, press that button for me, Lex. Okay. So after we've let our blender run for a while, we can maybe take it off, and you can see in there all the blueberries are mixed up, all the milk's mixed up, and all the honey's mixed up. And so now you just pour it in your cups. And you can enjoy it. All right, Lex, here's your smoothie. You want to try it?
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks for watching 714 Joy Cook It Together.
Cook it together. See you later.